Day Crafty Chums, it's Nikki here, and this is hashtag 30 days of Use Your Napkins Stash Challenge, and this is number 24 fabric. First off, before I get to the fabric part, what I'm going to do is work the napkins as you would do with the work the napkins as you would do for the decals and the beads that I showed you before, which is simply I'm going to get some glue down on here on this plastic sheet and see if I can go the whole. Really want to get as much as the napkin in as I can for this project. So did I say what it was? Napkins and fabric. So yeah, so I want to get as much as this down on here as I can. So what I'll do is I'll glue it down as I did on the other videos, and then after that, after I've glued it down, dry it completely, and then I'll be able to take it off and then start the next part of the process. So my battery's flashing, which is good, so what I'll do is I'll just continue on with this and I'll come back when it's all dry, and by that time I will have recharged my battery. So Mod Podge down, napkin on top, Mod Podge over the top, PVA glue, watered down PVA glue, wood glue, whatever glue you've got that works, that's what you do. Be back when it's all dry. Ooh. So although this is a bit of a funny angle because I'm trying to get everything in, not sure it's working, but hey ho. So this is basically dried now, and I'm just peeling it off. I couldn't quite get all the napkin on, which was a shame, but I think it's going to be good enough. And I am going to cut off the edges where, or I might keep it and see whether it works actually. I had a split here that I, oh, can't see it. I had a split here that I just glued it back together, and that's come okay. So what I'm going to do now is that I am going to, on this side, I'm going to put some more Mod Podge down, and then put a piece of material on the back. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to pop the Mod Podge down, and I've got this material, and this might be a bit of netting material or something, I'm not actually sure. I just picked it up at the on one of my forays into the op shop. So I am the bits that I didn't actually get to Mod Podge down on the plastic, I am going to try and Mod Podge down a little bit of the material on there and see how that goes. But you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. So we'll see what happens, shall we? Quite excited to try this out. Nothing I've ever done. Do you know, during this napkin challenge, I've done lots of things that I've never even tried before. So I do hope that, don't let it put you off if you see something that you've never tried before. Just give it a go. That's what I did. That is what I did. So this does fray, this one here, but I'm hoping that just simply by putting it down with the glue, I'm hoping that it will actually stop any fraying. So I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge down onto this napkin here. And then I'm going to again layer some Mod Podge on top, and hopefully that will seal it. This isn't a material Mod Podge or anything. This is just Mod Podge, just the Mod Podge. So yeah, and then we'll see what it's like after it's dried. I'm losing a lot of the light now. As usual, you know, you start these projects, and if it's a long project, then you quite often will lose the light, but it will be all right. I'm just going to turn it around so I can finish this side off. Laying down the glue on here. And seeing what happens. Actually quite excited to see what happens actually. No idea. No idea. Excitement for you and me both. So anyway, so I'm just going to put a layer of glue over the top of this as well. And then we'll come back and see what it looks like and see if I can make a project out of it or not. That'll be interesting, wouldn't it? I have a project in mind, quite an easy one, so don't worry. This is just, you know, just getting there in the preparation is a lot of what this is all about. Preparation. Okay, see you when it's all dry. Okay, let's see if I can shed some light on this. Let's see. Just pop on some lights, and this is the. It's still not quite dry. Yes, got a little bit of dry in the middle there, but it's bonded to the paper napkins. As I say, I've still got a little bit of drying left to do. But I just wanted to come back and show you how that did, and it looks good. And now I've just got to figure out what I'm going to make with it. It's bonded nicely to the material though, and I'm quite happy with that, because it, you know, makes it flexible and a little bit tough as well. So yeah, let's see what I can come up with. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, I think I've got some. Oh look, I may have Mod Podged my camera. We have to give that a clean, and when I come back. So the material is dried nicely to the napkin overnight. It seems to have bonded quite well. So what I'm going to do is cut off the excess edges and then see the excess material, and then we'll see what we can do. I'm cutting off that bit there because this was the bit that didn't stick down in the first instance when I did the first gluing down. So we'll just cut off that because I'm not sure whether it would stick down or not. And here we go. So I have this nice bit of homemade material. So I thought it might be nice actually if I make a little bit of a glasses case for my little reading glasses there. So that's what I'm going to do, is give it a go. I don't have a sewing machine, so it's going to be hand sewn. What I'm going to do is glue the outside bits first. Let's see. So I've got to get it out quite easily. Might even just work gluing it, you never know. But anyway, let's give it a go. Let's do to about down here. Now I've got my glasses off. Can't see what I'm doing, can I? So to about there. So we're going to do it to about there. Put my glasses back on so I can see. And did I leave myself enough room to make a hem? I might just fold it over and just do a very little hem like this, just to give me a nice outside edge. Got some strong glue here. I'm supposed to like glue everything, including the lid shut. This material is frays really easy, but I'm hoping that with, you know, having bonded it down with the glue, that it should do rather well. Just might need a little bit more glue there. And a peg or two. Pegs always help. And we'll just put a hem here as well. Oh, I'm just going to let that dry. Okay, then this one now is dry. It could do with a little bit longer, but I think that this is enough. This is the napkin and fabric make here, which I actually made into, so it's the glue, which I made into a cute, ooh, just broke my peg, which I made into a cute, these pegs don't last very long, they're rubbish. So made this into a, I'll get the words out in a minute, into a cute little sunglasses, cute little glasses case pocket. Like that, just somewhere to put my glasses in so I don't lose them. These can also be, you know, just popped into my handbag or whatever. Just these are the reading glasses you buy in the chemist, and I haven't had a container to put them in, so there you go. Cute little make. Awesome, love it. Another great make. Oh man, I really like how this turned out, making your own patterned fabric just from a napkin and some cheap fabric that I picked up in the op shop. So there you go, another cute little make. See you again soon. Bye.